Hello dear children, we have completed the chapter conjunction. Now let us see here what are the common errors in the use of conjunction. So the first one sentence as it is there, unless you do not go to him, he will not help you. So my dear students, this unless word, it gives you the negative sense. So with this negative sense we need not to use here not. So how do we write it? Unless you go to him, and the second sentence you will write as it, he will not help you. Second sentence, he walked fast lest he should not miss the train. So my dear students, as this unless gives the sense of negative, same like this lest also gives the sense of negative here. So after the use of this lest word we should not use not word here. So how to write this? He walked fast lest he should miss the train. He was appointed as an honorary magistrate. So we do not need to write this word as. So appointed, he was appointed an honorary magistrate. Next is there, such boys who do not work hard will fail. So with such we use the next conjunction is there as. So how to write it? Such boys as do not work hard will fail. And this next fifth one sentence is there, scarcely. So scarcely is always followed by an auxiliary verb. So how scarcely I had gone, this is the wrong way. So how to use it correctly? Scarcely had I gone. How to say here? Means after scarcely you have to use the auxiliary verb here. Scarcely had I gone out when my friend met me. Next is there, although he is poor but he is honest. My dear students, we do not use word but with the conjunction although. With although we need to use the conjunction yet, or sometime we can skip by writing here comma, we can skip the use of yet. So how to write it? Although he is poor yet he is honest, or the second one, although he is poor he is honest. Next is there, he asked me that why I had gone there. So my dear students, with WH word, the question interrogative that start with WH word, we need not to write here that. So how to here? He asked me why I had gone there. So this is the case of indirect speech here. Next is there, wait here until I do not come. Same like unless, until also gives the negative sense here. So how to use it? Wait here until I come. Next is there, it's the same person, same pen which I bought yesterday. So here which not in place of which we need to write here that. You are particularly talking about that pen. Okay, so for the pen we are using here pronoun that pen, particularly talking about the pen that you bought yesterday. Next is there, he worked hard so that he should not fail. Okay, so he worked hard so that, with so that we give the positives, that we use the affirmative sentence or the positive sense here. How to? He worked hard means so that he should not, we use the word might here. He worked hard so that he might not fail. We should not use he should not fail. What to write here? He might not fail. Next is here, no sooner he left the job. So already we have done no sooner word. So no sooner is followed by auxiliary verb did, and then the first form of the verb we use, and then no sooner comes with than here. So how to write here? No sooner did he leave the job than his wife deserted him. Next is there, he did not realize that how useful his servant was. So already I told you that in the indirect speech with the WH word we need not to write their word conjunction that. He did not realize how useful his servant was. Next is there, he as well as brother were invited to tea. So here with as well as subject verb agreement, the word, the singular noun which are joining by the singular noun which are joining by as well as, they will be followed by the singular verb here. So what is there? He as well as his brother was invited to tea here. So my dear students, these are the exercise 1 and 2. Very simple exercises are there. Here you have to classify the conjunction. Okay, like in the first one, and is there. Second one, before conjunction is used. Third one is therefore is used. Fourth one, unless is used. And fifth one, neither is used here. So from here I have marked the conjunction. You check the type of these conjunctions here. Next is there, strike out the wrong word. Means here you have to choose the right word here. He touched neither food nor water. He not only lost his bag but also his walking stick. No sooner had he come, so no sooner we use than he was off again. Scarcely had he gone there, and with scarcely we use the conjunction when, not then. Then we use with no sooner. Next is there, scarcely had I gone when a postman knocked at his door. Do you like? Do like as I do. So here do as I do. Next is there, you must act as I told you. These days we are using as. I cannot go to him unless he invites me. Doesn't invite unless he invites me. Unless, already I told you, give the negative sense here. Though he is an honest man, with though and although we use the conjunction yet nobody trusts him. He worked hard as long as, or until. So until, already I told you, give the negative sense. He worked hard as long as it grew, he worked hard until it grew dark here. As long as, not until it grew dark. Unless you tell me the truth, I shall not speak with you. Already I told you, with unless already give you the negative sense. We do not use here unless you do not tell. Unless you tell me the truth, I shall not speak with you. So my dear students, next is there the second one. This you will do by yourself. Very simple are there. And then come here, combine the following pair of the sentences okay, by suitable conjunction here. The first one is that take care of yourself, you will be ill. So here two statements are there. How to use it? Take care of yourself or you will be ill. Two conjunction we can use here, or otherwise. Take care of yourself or you will be ill. Take care of yourself, otherwise you will be ill. Next is there, he deserted his brother. He was very proud, so he deserted his brother as he was very proud here. Next is there, you must do as you are told, you will be punished. Here also you must be told as you must do as you are told or you will be punished, or you must do as you are told, otherwise you will be punished here. He tried to get up, he could not. So here we use the conjunction but. He tried to get up but could not. The policeman ran after the thief, he could not catch him. So how you will? The policeman ran after the thief but could not catch him. You may not be successful, you ought to attempt the question. So how you will? You ought to attempt the question, or you may not be successful. Okay, and next is there, all men were against Dr. Johnson, he preserved. Even though all men were against Dr. Johnson, then put the comma here, he preserved. He is honest, you are honest too. Same type of statement, we'll connect it with and or as well as. Both way we can connect here. He as well as you are honest, or he and you are honest here. Send me a message, I will come at once. So how will I will come as soon as you send me a message. Lead me anywhere, I shall go. How will you change it? I shall go anywhere you lead me. So my dear students, here I have written all the answers. You can take the click of these answers and try to write here. So that was all for the conjunction. Thank you everyone.